Hello, welcome to the Happy Technician. I'm feeling exuberant today, and we're going to look at uh, the web page and some of the frog bricks in the web page, and just getting ourselves used to that edit environment in the web page. I have a previous video which showed you how to make a web page. Take a look at that because this video follows on. So we're going to double click the web page that we've created, and this brings us to a blank white page. And up in the top left hand corner, the red edit page button. If you see red edit pages around your frog, then you are best keeping away from them. But in this example, we're going to click, and this takes you and brings you into the frog builder, the frog web page builder. Up the top here, we've got some options for the page. They're pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not going to go through them with you. And up here, we have frog bricks. 6 different tabs, all with different bricks. Now we will have a look at these bricks, but I'm not going to spend the time going through every single one with you now. I'm just going to start with the basic bricks and let you have a little play. So this red outline here, this is our build area. This is where we put stuff for our web page, and I'm going to start off just by shoving down various bricks and showing you what they do. So this one here, which is text and pictures, if we stick this one in, it will then say double click to add text and or pictures, double click, and here we have a little dialogue, and you'll probably be familiar with this, familiar with the WYSIWYG editor at the top. I can type in here, that's not very helpful at all, so hello frog users. This text, much like your word processing package that you're using, I can make bigger, change the color, bold and underline it and stuff like that. Font style, I actually really like this Century Gothic, that's what I'm using at the moment. I can also insert a picture if I want. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to do another tutorial on exactly how to do this because I think some people again may want a breakdown, but any picture, I'm going to use a fingerprint one. There we are. Okay, and here we can see the content that I just stuck in that text and pictures box. If I click preview up the top, it will open up another tab and I can see what my web page will look like. This hasn't been saved yet, it is just a preview. So I'm going to exit out and come back. Now I've done this work using the text and pictures dialog. I'm going to publish and exit, and it will bring me back out to the page. I can see that it's there now, back out to just how a normal user would see the page. So I'm going to jump back in, and we're just going to look at a few more of these bricks. 2, 3, 4, and 5, these are column bricks. So if I bring one down, drag it down, you can see that here I've got 2 columns available. Now bricks can be dragged inside bricks, so what I'm going to do is drag the text and pictures brick, which we put down first, into the first column, and then over here I'm going to drag another brick, and I'm just going to type the words here, second column, and we can see that the content has been broken down into 2 columns. I'll have a quick look. Doesn't look that exciting, but again we're just playing at the moment. So you can guess what 2, 3, 4, and 5 would do. 5 would obviously give you 5 columns. There's not much more to it than that. We will look at the column bricks in more detail in a later tutorial, but again we're just dragging stuff down. Heading, we'll drag that down, and if you can just see, it's quite interesting, the blue bold line is showing exactly where it would be placed. So heading here would be placed under all my content. If I do this, it shows that the heading would be placed within the first column at the bottom. Here it would be placed in the first column at the top, and if I go up one more, it's going to be placed at the top of the page. You can see that there. Heading 1. If you double click a brick once you've placed it, it will give you the options. So there's quite a lot of options here. We're not going to worry too much about that at the moment. Just click OK. And there we have it. This is simply just to get you going. So have a little look at the top, see what you can see in the other tabs. I mean, there's lots of them available, and you can just hover your mouse over and it will show you what they do. But for a bigger breakdown, we're going to make some more videos. Thanks very much for watching.